Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire.
Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat. Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her social.
Hey, my chocolate babies. Welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl dipped in chocolate. Period. So guys, yes, I have been slacking and I have not been uploading any YouTube videos. Your girl is busy. You will slap your girl from left to right, right to left. Plus, I am venturing into some different stuff. I'll update you guys on that in the club. My twin will be vibing. But this vlog is basically a week in my life as a sophomore. Yeah, as a US student, as a second year student at the University of the West, stressed Indies. Yeah, I'll be showing you guys what I do on a regular basis to go to class, what I eat for lunch, what I wear to school, different things that I do as a student. You know, I have a business, so sometimes I'll be doing some pickup drop-offs and all of that. So it's gonna be a really good vibe. Remember, a weekend we might go to a party, we might go outside. So stay on the vlog. Don't forget to like and share it to your friend. We are trying to reach 3,000 subscribers before 2024. So go ahead and give Dipped in Chocolate. Touch the little red. It's a little red something to write SUBCSCRIBE. Subscribe. Just press it. That's all Dipped in Chocolate what you have to do. And just like the video and comment down below your favorite part of this vlog. Bye. So guys, I'm trying to stay consistent. So more drinks in the fucking cup. So last night we were watching movie. So we started off the vlog with watching movie and vibing. Guys, that movie was so good. It was, what you call? Wreck Home or something like that. Home Wrecker. Yeah, Home Wrecker name. It's an African movie, South African movie. So good. Right now, I'm gonna brush my teeth, bathe, and get ready for school. I have a photo shoot to get to. But I have a lot of plans for today. Like, my day is really busy. I'll be showing you guys what I do in a day, and I'm gonna try my best to get an assignment completed for later on, because I think it's due on Wednesday and today is Monday. And guys, I don't know what's happening since recently, but the day and the time is running way too fast for my liking. So I gotta get the assignment done before the due date pass. We don't take zeros over here. The dollar them are actually bright dollars. So I'm gonna take a shower and come back to you guys.
I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody's like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss.
Alrighty guys, so the fragrances for today is Jergens Honey. Also I love. I don't know if you guys love it too, but I have a thing for baby oil. It just smells super good. I just don't know. I have to combine it with the Jergens Honey. Also we have the Feel the Fire for men. I kinda have an obsession with men cologne, so this is not cologne, this is perfume. And we have the Pear Dove. Guys, I don't know if you know, but Dove angle it, sister. So me wear my Dove and me go put on my Jergens mixed with my baby oil. The people them of you say, girl, you smell nice, see, you hygiene have to turn up because we are dolly in the streets. We are dolly. So we have to so have to make sure the hygiene's nice, yeah?
I think I know. I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify.
Alright guys, so this is my OOTD. I have some neutral colors except for the yellow. I want a jean skirt. The jean skirt matched the blue bag. The brown top with the yellow inside matches my Crocs, and my beautiful face matches the environment because I slay. Yeah, so my first class is 5 p.m. but I'm reaching school early because I have to do a lot of stuff, so let's go. I totally forgot that I was vlogging, so let me tell you what happened. I'm on campus now. I just came from Jane Bank. I went to pay some money and then I went to print some documents at the library. So now I'm walking over to SAS to collect my transcript and my status letter. So y'all know where SAS is? So I'm gonna show y'all where SAS is. So if you're a new student and somebody says go over SAS to this or that, y'all should know because dipped in chocolate show know where it's there, right? So let's go. Yes, I'm gonna go into this building first and then I'm going to go into this building. So let's go. Something in that wait all long, you know. Just here say, but need my physical ID, them not a scan ID. So me tell you say you will not fail, you know. You will one and me zero in a people. Like right now I feel so mad. I wonder if I ask my roommate. I wonder if I ask my roommate to bring up my ID. I'm ready to present it tomorrow. But to be honest, I feel like I want to get everything done today so that tomorrow I can just literally chill. So I'm just gonna ask her to bring up my ID. I don't even know where the freaking ID is. Like, it's getting me really upset, but I'm not watching the face. I'm gonna go get something to eat now, and I think I'm going to do something else, but I don't know. I'm gonna look at my timetable and my schedule and tell you guys what's next. Yeah guys, so I think today is not my day at all. Today is just not my day, but I am heading to get something to eat at Westfield. If you guys know Westfield, you know my place, you know, so I love get my lunch there. So I'm walking over to drinking some water. I'm gonna eat a breakfast some morning. No other time I'm gonna eat from morning. So this will be my first meal of the day, and I hope they have exactly what I want. I'm going to review the food for y'all and tell y'all how it is. So let's go. One. I'm going back over to SAS to try and get my transcript and my status letter because I couldn't get it because of some ID problem. So I get my ID now, I'm gonna get it. I just passed a girl, she was like, oh, I follow you on YouTube. And I'm like, hi. So big up to all I'm in UWI student, big up to all of the UWI students who watch me on YouTube. Big up the whole of Uno, big up the whole of UTech too. All college students that follow me, big up you. I love on a bar. Unlimited subscription to my love. I love on a bar. So I'm just coming from SAS. I just got my blasted things that I've been asking them for. Sure. So I have a class at 5 o'clock. It's almost 4 now. I'm gonna chill in the commuters lounge. I have a assignment that I need to get done. It's a literature review, and guys, let me tell you, the literature review have boxed me down. It has kept me down, it has slapped me down. But I'll get it done. Hopefully. So in the club in my twin will be vibing. Guys, today is one of the boring days because trust and believe. Say, really not much. I'm now walking to my first class of the day, which is 5 o'clock. The time is now 4:41. But that you made now, and the class that I take, I'm here walk. I take my time to, you know, because I'm not make nothing stress me, you know. So, yeah, I have the phone like this because people just look on it also like, y'all never saw a YouTuber? Or maybe the most I say, the girl have video herself. The girl are conceited, don't try to video herself. Like, yeah, I'm a bit conceited because if I don't do it, who's gonna do it? Right? Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you, UMed is having their uniform day. So everybody that's supposedly that studies in the Faculty of Humanities and Education is supposed to wear their high school uniform. Me never know Saturday. And second of all, I can't find my high school uniform because next week is commuters week and I am the commuter CAC and I can't find my uniform, so I don't know what's gonna happen. Next week I'm gonna do a full vlog with you guys of commuters week because they're doing everything. They're doing something for every day of the week, so that's gonna be something good to vlog, right? Me I walk go over Tasties side, go my class, so it's a long walk. Trust that this vlogging thing is not easy because people are looking at you. Me not shy, but for our 100 people look at you one, I lie, not 100 people in about say 100 people look at you one time because you have a phone and you talk to your phone. I'm gonna take some pictures, guys. Open me niceness. Wouldn't I see I'm nice for the camera? Could you tell me? Could you tell me? Yes, sir.
Countries must tap into niche markets and diversity.
Is a global trade body with the capacity to review a nation's internal trade policies.
So guys, tell me why me come out of the people in class early. When you realize when y'all were talking to me, it was day and now it's night. The man want to talk for 2 hours. Come on, sir. Okay, I'm out, man. I mean, I don't know what I say. Like, I know what he's saying, you know, but I don't know what he's saying, you understand? Because I want to go sleep. I go home right now. I eat lunch already, but I think I'm kind of peckish, like I'll eat something. So, I want to go home, take a shower, try my best to do my blasted assignment that is due Wednesday. Trust me, I gotta just take a shower. I definitely have to take a shower because I don't know, but I feel like taking a shower helps me clear my mind because trust, I am exhausted. This is a long day. I've been here from after 11. That's all. I've been here from after 11 and my class is 5 o'clock. Plus I ran so many errands today to get some stuff off of my schedule so that my week will run a little smoother. I have a lot of stuff to upload to some portals tonight. So I could see how the rest of the week go. I have a package to pick up Friday. What else do I have to do? I have personal nails to sell, guys. You can check out my business page at Dipped in Chocolates merch. Check it out. It's gonna be down in my description down below. You guys can check it out and check out my anklets, bags, nails, bracelets, and chains that I sell. Yeah, support the movement. You understand? So now I'm gonna take a taxi at back gate, go to my house, shower, eat. So yep. So guys, I'm at home, showered and everything. I'm eating my birthday cake. My birthday gone from October 16, but yeah, I still have cake. I don't know, it's just a vibe. So I'm gonna try get some schoolwork done at the same time, and I'm just gonna go take a nap because I'm so tired. So tomorrow is the next day because we're trying to do a week vlog. So this vlog's supposed to be on Saturday or Friday. Guys, bear with me. We could see if we can do it for the whole 5 days of the week. Let's see. But anyways, good night for now.
Try to reinstate slavery because during the Haitian Revolution, slavery was outlawed, emancipation was declared, and they were able to reintroduce it everywhere else except for Haiti. When they tried to reinstate it in Guadeloupe, there was an uprising. Was that successful or not?
You guys, me eat some food and never show no the before and after. Again. So I am at Wells Fair. Ate my food. It was good. I'd give it a 8 out of 10. I drank a canned water with a water to wash it down. I also did not show you guys my outfit of the day. It's like a green bodycon dress with my yellow Crocs and my little handbag. Yeah, so I want to go get 2 passport size photos today. So I'm thinking about where I could get it, in maybe probably in Allergy. So I'm not sure what to do. Yeah guys, so today was yet another subtle and normal day. I was just sitting down in the lecture room vibing and talking to my friend, and then I went to my last class for the day, which is a history class.
It's a sense of nationalism and the good of the nation. So something like slavery is one of the things that is causing Britain to emerge more and more as a global.
Hey guys, so I'm now home after a long day. I came home, I showered, I'm just here chilling in my bed. I have an assignment. I've been telling you guys about this assignment. Guys, I have writer's block. I don't know how to start. I don't know where to start. This assignment is due this Friday. It's just annoying me because I don't know where to start, guys. It's the worst. This is the worst part of university. Assignments, especially essays, is the worst part. I have a lot of plans for tomorrow, so let's see how that goes. Tomorrow might be an enticing day. Some parts of today I forgot to vlog, but today was chill. Today was more of me vibing. I didn't do much today. Guys, you realize how the time is running so fast? Like literally. It was just yesterday. Yesterday was just Sunday. Why is tomorrow Wednesday? That's crazy. My teacher said that next week could be the last class for the semester. Like, what are you saying? How is that possible, bro? So that's just mad crazy to me. This weekend I think I'm going to be outside, so you guys might come with me. I'm not sure. I'm going to pull out my hair on Thursday and wash it, so let's see how that goes. Either Thursday or Friday, one of them. I'm going to pull it out and wash. I might pull it out Thursday and wash it Friday morning, and I have some clothes to wash also. So you guys gonna see the full dipped in chocolate lifestyle experience of me getting myself together. I feel just so overwhelmed with school and just keeping up with my extracurricular activities and also making sure that my academics is on point today. I was totally out of it because I even said to my teacher that, Miss, are all my assignments done? Like, I know that I do everything, but still I'm asking her, like, is there anything that I missed? Anything? That's how I was, because last semester was a rough semester for me, and things didn't turn out how I wanted it to turn out academically. But I'm trying to bridge that this semester. I'm trying to get back on my game for this semester. So I'm trying so hard. Like, I think I am still complacent and lackadaisical at times, but I've been doing good so far in certain courses. But Lord God, some of the courses them have beat me bad, guys. Like, if you like, let me tell you, I don't think I'm mentally stable for some of these courses. Like, some of these courses you need dedication. I don't think I have the dedication at this point because I have so many things to worry about, and I think that sometimes it gets me off track with my academics, because I do everything for myself. I am my own person. I am my guardian. I'm my parent, so I have to be worrying about taking care of myself, and also worrying about keeping on track with academics, and also with my extracurricular activities and my leadership roles in school. So it's a lot. Dipped in Chocolate has been going through a lot. So don't cuss me when you don't see no uploads. It's just that everything that's going on, I don't think I could balance and keep on track with you guys. But trust and believe, I love y'all so much. Y'all support me so much. I see, the amount of people on campus will pass and say, hey girl, I know your YouTube channel. I love your YouTube channel. I watch it and it's so nice. And that I'm like, thank you so much. Like, that warms my heart. And I know a lot of persons from my past school, Oberdin High School, is watching me. And persons from my past community is watching me. And I big up, well, I don't know. Leave a comment. Tell me something there. Tell me, Thank you guys so much for supporting me. But for now, I'm going to do my assignment, get something to eat, and just chill. Like, I need a mental health day. But tomorrow will definitely be a good day, guys. So continue watching. So guys, I am at the Swallowfield IT examination depot right now. Wake up early in the morning, so I never vlog and show no what I do or nothing. So excuse me. Yeah, them some to wait 20 minutes for me date, so that my husband we're there with Trish. So I could say about 20 minutes if we wait, because I have a photo shoot today. So yeah.
You all look funny, you look for me. You don't look like me. And I like say you can put
Guys, I am now on campus. I am gonna get something to eat. So guys, let me tell you one story. Let me tell you what happened to me. So I had this breakout on my, it's not a breakout, it's like my lips was irritated in the first part of September, where there were some small fine bumps that were actually hurting me. So I went to the doctor. Doctor said to me that she don't know if it's an allergy reaction or what it is. So she gave me 8 medications. 16 or 8. But I didn't know, like over 10 medications to take for the allergy or whatever she thought it was. Antibiotics, like something wrong with me. Right? Rest the story there. Yeah, so remember me I take over 10 medications. 2 times per day? I think I 2 times per Why, yeah. To solve whatever I go on with my lip. Lip was swelling, guys. My lips were swelling. Alright. So doctor give me medication, make me spend over $5,000 for medication. So I take medication, guys. Enough money me spend for it, and plus my lips are swell out of proportion. Then lip go back down within a week. Right? So I said to myself, say, alright, maybe whatever she say wrong with me, maybe it wrong with me for real. So maybe I forgot to do some type of test or whatever for confirm my sicknesses. Go down, me not take the test, me not do nothing. Cause my lip alright and my body alright. So me know yesterday me use one lip balm. But me did use the same time within September because one thing about me, I have over 10 lip balms. Like literally, my lips are my top priority. I love my lips so much because they're so pink and they're so pretty. I love my lips so much. So I have a lot of things to take care of it. So the lady put on a lip balm. Yesterday, I feel my lip a tingle. The same sensations, the same feeling. What I did feel when it did I go swell up and bust for me. When I wake up this morning, this is how my lip looks. So trust and believe, guys. Whoever I bought that lip balm from that I have an allergic reaction, Ricky, when I catch you, Ricky, when I catch you, Ricky. Alright. So my lip them are swell up out of proportion. I did not take all of my did not take all of the medications. So what me I could do now is go over welfare, get something to eat, take the rest of the medications them and see if this can go down. Because me never know so I'm allergic to blasted lip balm, and I put a lip balm on my lip. So right now I fear use Carmex. Carmex is medicated, so Carmex not gonna do me nothing. So I'm gonna keep on using the Carmex and I'm gonna take the medication and rest. So I just over this. Guys, I'm walking over to go start the photo shoot. Yeah, rain a fall upon me, but what to do? Really and truly what to do. I'm going over Carmack radio station and I'm gonna call the girl who I'm supposed to do it with and get it started. So y'all gonna see me in a photo shoot live. Oh, what fun.
Looking behind her. So they could actually know because of how the room set, it's more narrow. So we can just blend it through with the extra. I have to then move it.
If you're also looking at her, she gets a phone call, leaves the room, you all look at each other, right? And then you head for the play fighting, right? So easy from each other. Right? Carry on.
Right. You are trying to move him, he's just gonna do this. He's still gonna reach towards.
So they're doing a whole thing inside. So yeah, guys, I'm not really feeling 100%. I feel kind of dizzy because I just take the medication. But I'm here trying to get this thing done and help out these people with their classwork. So guys, it was actually a promotional video these students were supposed to do for their class assignment. So basically it's us advertising the Excelsior chocolate cookie.
Action.
Guys, what are you doing? For what going to? No.
You just walk.
Just walk
I'm
away.
not gonna
You're
film.
not
Gonna come
filming.
everything.
Alright.
You finished? You
So guys, after that long day at school, I saw a friend and they picked me up and they brought me right at my yard. Perfect. So guys, I reached home. I just ate my food that I was eating earlier, my lunch, and I'm now watching Gossip Girl on my iPad. It's just the day is so cool, like the breeze are blow and the place quiet. I'm just there watch some Netflix. You understand? It just nice. I don't have nothing else to do for today. Tomorrow is Thursday. I have an assignment to do later on. I might show you guys the assignment to do later on. I'll show you all that. Tomorrow is not nothing much to do, but Friday and Saturday definitely the vlog gonna pick up, so stay tuned.
Basically hates me. You need to chill out. Take a Xanax or a tequila shot or something.
So hey guys, it's November 6th, Thursday, November 16th. Yes, I'm not at school now because from last night rain fall bad, like rain fall like a storm. So me in my head listen myself say, oh rain fall so much. Me say, and then me not watch TV, me not watch news, watch TV. So I have this person on my phone that shows us the reports, news reports. Weather, someone say there are gonna be showers, every shower. So wake up storm. Even somebody left the back door open and then the water in the kitchen looked like it flooded. So Prince said water and then I look it was water. So you wake up with my belly as usual. Cause after 10 now we just wake up. Me asleep, me hear the rain so me asleep. I mean, I love school and no rain. After I love school more than nobody. I love school more than nobody, I'm not very talk. Man, you can't post places and I might take up myself to school. What? What to do? So guys, I'll be making some breakfast right now. I'm gonna wake up with my belly. You wake up with my belly in my hand. Yeah guys, so I forgot to show you the breakfast, but it was actually egg sandwich. I'm there I watch Gossip Girl. Yeah, the weather right, so I decided to get up and cook some curry goat and some white rice. And me and my roommate just matched that up right there, so and we did whop it off. The weather so nice, I would not get up and cook food. Yeah man, we cook man. Guys, you see the time? Yeah, I'm up doing an assignment by myself. It's crazy. Hi guys, so today is Friday and we just wake up rain a fall, same way. Today I was gonna pick up my package, deal with some other stuff, go to a committee meeting, pick up my committee shirt and everything, but today kind of spoiled in my way because of the rain. So right now I'm preparing something for breakfast and vibe on my yard. I'm gonna do some fritters with some tuna and lo mein, and these are some leftover yams which I'm gonna fry. Guys, whenever you about cook whatever you see in the kitchen, yeah, man, that really, you know, so me I cook tuna with lo mein with sweet corn, you know, it's a fret. Plus I cut up some yam and fry the yam and fry some fritters. No sir. Nice boy.
Then everything postponed, so
A whole ass storm going on outside. So guys, anywhere that I wanted to go this weekend postponed or cancelled because of the storm. I not even pick up my package. I not even pick up my committee shirt. Not at all no go on. I just be a lie down, schoolwork, Gossip Girl series and chilling. I be that one this weekend, but so people me in a vlog. Hey guys, so I kinda just woke up today is gonna be kind of busy but subtle day. I'm just gonna go on the road, pick up my package, get some schoolwork done, and I think that's gonna close off the vlog. But yeah, continue watching, like, comment, and subscribe.
When I forgot pay me for promotional now.
What's the only year?
Well, thank you for telling.
So guys, let me tell you what happened. So I went to the shipping company. I totally forgot to vlog me going there because I went into an in-drive. I felt super uncomfortable, so I wasn't thinking about vlogging. I wasn't thinking about content creating because I was super uncomfortable. So he came late for me because he never know where I'm going. So he came late. I sent out my location and everything to my friends and my family, and then when we reached maybe like how do I explain, like 2 minutes away from my house, he was like, oh, you gotta cancel the in-drive. No, before he left out, he said, oh, you gotta cancel the in-drive. I said, why? Because he's gonna have to pay them a lot of money because he arrived late for the charter. So I'm like, okay, me never have on a service. I end up calling my friend and telling her to send me some credits so I can put on the service to cancel the in-drive, because I'm like, okay, somebody was in the car with me. One of my friends was in the car with me, so I felt comfortable to say, all right, I can cancel the in-drive. Him can't do me nothing, because if him do me nothing, I dirt. So we're like 2 minutes away from the house. The in-drive still never got cancelled because the service now work. And him stop the car. And him wait until the in-drive cancel before him start driving again. So I was super uncomfortable, so I did not get the opportunity to vlog properly going to the place. But when we reach the place, I'm supposed to come into the car, hear him, save my number because ID with license and learners. I'm like, bro, you had me having a small heart attack thinking that you're going to kidnap me. Do you think I'm really going to let you handle my driver's license or my learners? Be for real. Anyways, I went to the Chinese store, and not the Chinese store, oh my god, the Chinese restaurant called Tawi or whatever in Pavilion, and got fried chicken with sweet and sour gravy and fried rice with a cran water underwater, and I just enjoyed my time. Just after I came off the road, rain started to pour. Like, I'm not upset with the rain. Guys. I love the rain, but I'm like, oh my god, suppose the rain did catch me on the road, what would I do? I had the worst experience that. But without further ado and without too much talking, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when I get different chocolate uploads another video. And just love, respect, walk good, live good. Enough love.